Okay, so first I'm going to take my PLOUISE base. I got this in number 6, and I'm going to prime all over my eyes. After that, I'll be taking my Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Deep 35 to set that base so the eyes do not crease. Okay, so now for the starter show, I'm going to take my 3503 Fierce by Nature Morphe palette. I'm going to start with the shade Warning Label. And I'm going to pack that all over my crease with the blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color Ball on Fire, and I'm going to put that right above Warning Label, and I'm going to just blend those two in seamlessly with another eyeshadow blending brush. Okay, so now we're going to take the color Ferocious, and we're going to put that on top of Ball on Fire, and we're going to blend that up all the way up to the brow bone. Now, normally I don't like to take my shadows all the way up to my brow bone, but when it is a dramatic, extra bold look, I do like to do that. So I'm just going to take that color and blend it in with the other two colors. Okay, so now we're going to take the color Hypnotic, and we're going to look for a flat brush, and we're going to pack that color all in the crease. Now, one thing you guys need to remember is it's better to pack the color on before you blend it. So first you just pack it on. That's how you're going to really get the color to show up, and then after you pack it on, you blend it in. Also, I want to say I'm also tapping into all three colors, Warning Label, Ball on Fire, and Ferocious, and just making sure it's all blended in with Hypnotic. All of it is just blended in seamlessly. Another thing is it's gonna look real worse, real bad before it's gonna start to look good. Like, it looks all over the place right now, and that's okay, because we're gonna go in and clean it up and fix it up and all of that good stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna take the color Jolt, and we're putting that the same place where we put Hypnotic to get it more darker, more dimension, because while we were blending in all three colors, it lost kind of its dimension, kind of its darker color. So Jolt will really bring some of that back. Okay, so I'm going to try my best to explain this part. So now you're going to take a makeup remover wipe and you're going to clean off some of the shadow off the lid. The reason why we're doing this is because we're going to cut the crease. You don't really need that shadow there. It's not going to show because your base is going to be above it, and it's easier to apply the base when that lid is bare. Okay, so now I'm going to take my PLOUISE base number 5, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease with my little concealer brush. Now, it's a trick that you can do to help you cut your crease. So you just put some of the base or some of your concealer on there, and you look up. You see that? Look up so it can show you where your crease starts, so you can follow that line. If you guys do not have PLOUISE base, you can use your concealer, but you got to make sure it's a thick concealer. Runny concealers, not really good for cut creases. If you're thinking about buying PLOUISE base, you can. It's $10. If you don't have $10, I mean, I know when I didn't have $10, so it's no big deal. Just use a thick concealer. It will work great. Okay, so soon I'm going to take this thin brush. Yeah, right now, this thin brush, this is what's going to make your cut crease sharp, okay? You're going to take that brush and you're going to draw a line where you want your cut crease to be, okay? This is what's going to make it sharp. Okay, so now that we got the crease cut, we're going to take the color Tempting and we're going to pack that in the inner corner first. Okay, so after that, we're going to take the shade Ball on Fire, and that is the second shade that's gonna go in the middle of the lid. Now, after I put Ball on Fire all over the middle of my lid, I'm going to blend Tempting and Ball on Fire together with a blending brush, so there are no harsh lines. Okay, so now we're gonna take the color Red Alert. After we got Red Alert all packed in, we're going to take that same blending brush that we used to blend in the other two colors and blend those three all together. Okay, so next is eyeliner. I'm actually going to do my eyeliner on camera. My mom said I need to do it on camera because she's tired of not seeing it done. So Mom, if you're watching this, this is for you. Okay, so now we're going back with the PLOUISE base. I think this is number 5 or number 6. Honestly, it doesn't matter. You just need some concealer or whatever to clean up that line. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I did the rest of my makeup off camera because this video is just how I do my cut crease. Like I said before, I am not a makeup artist. I am not claiming to be. This is just how I do it. I felt like it came out good, and I felt like you could learn something. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you like and subscribe, and please turn on your notifications because I got the heat coming. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.